Now that we have the road built for the car, we're going to have to go build the car. So we're going to create a new assembly, standard IAM. We're just going to create that. Then we are going to place the bed. We are going to place the front. Zoom out a little. We're going to place the passenger base, the passenger section, the windshield, and then the four axles. So what I really recommend you do is you just ground the passenger section. The first thing you're going to want to do is constrain this. So you're just going to constrain, and then you're just going to use a mate constraint. So you're just going to select this face right here, go back to the home view, and then select this, just like that. Then going to select this, the top of that, there. And you're just going to kind of just keep constraining it until it gets to the center. It should be about 3 constraints. You might have to do a 4th if something weird happens, but you should be able to do it in 3. Then once we do that, we're going to mate constraint the back of this to the back of this, or the front of this to the back of this. So we're just going to do that. Then we're going to flush this to the side. Then we're going to flush the tops together. Then we're going to mate the back of the front to the front of the middle. And then we're just going to do the same thing where we flush them together. Oops. And we flush the bottoms. Then we're going to insert these pegs, just like so. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. And then you're going to attach the windshield. So you're just going to mate the bottom of this to the top of this. You're going to make sure it's set to normal mate instead of flush. Then you're going to select the back of this. And then it might be a bit difficult to get to, but that face there. Then you're going to do this to that face, and you should have this as your end product. Then you are going to right click the back, click open, and you're going to move to the bottom. You're going to start a 2D sketch. You're going to create a line from here, set it to construction, from here across, make sure it's perfectly straight. Then you're going to go from zoom in on one of these axles. Try to get it as close as you can to where this line, kind of an invisible line, should appear, and you should end up with something right about here. You're going to do that straight down. So you should end up with this little cross. Then you're going to use the circle tool, and make sure construction is turned off. Just put a circle on this side at size 0.4, and the same thing on the other side at 0.4. Then you're going to set this to 0.2, this to 0.2, oops, and then you do the same for the other side. So you should have it look like this. You're going to finish the sketch, then you're going to extrude, set it to the surface output. You're going to select this one. You're going to have it go in. You're going to have it go asymmetrical. Just kind of drag this one up like above, so that way you can easily see it, and then you're good. Then you're going to right click this little expansion, right click the sketch, share the sketch, and do the exact same for the other one. So set it to surface, click the circle, asymmetrical, and then just kind of bring it down, and then click OK, and you're going to turn visibility off on the sketch. So then you're just going to save this, click OK. Then you can close it, go back here, right click on the front, click open. Then you're going to go to the bottom. You're going to draw a straight line like this. Then you're going to do the same on like you did here, just get right about here, straight down. So then you end up with a cross. And so you have a point in the center. You're going to place a point in the center like this. Then you're going to delete these lines, so all that remains is the point. You're going to finish the sketch, then click Axis, click the point, and then the face. Then you're going to hide the sketch, so all you see is the axis. You can then save the part and click OK. So now you should have this. Now you're going to want to create another assembly, same exact thing. And in this one, you are going to place the tire, and you are going to place the wheel, just like this. Then you are going to insert constrain here and here, just like this. And then if you need to set it to aligned from opposed, you can, so you should end up with this. Then you're going to open both of these and open their origins. And you choose the XZ plane, and you're going to make turn visibility on for the XZ planes. So you should see both of them. You're then going to constrain mate both their XZ planes together. Then you're going to click apply, and then you're going to toggle visibility off for the two. And then you're going to save this as just tire or wheel. You're going to just save it, click OK. Then you're going to go back to the car and make sure you save this as car. And you're going to click yes to all and click OK. Click OK again if it prompts you. And now you have the car and tire completely built.